Hi, I'm here in Phelan, California to show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bath house. It's sitting on 2 1/3 acres, has a huge workshop, and we're going to show you the whole thing. The house is set back from the street a good distance, set off the neighbors a good distance, giving you a good sense of privacy, plenty of room around the house to do whatever you want. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. All my contact information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about this house or any other house. Okay, we're going to start off looking at the size of the property. The lot goes all the way out there to where you see the gravel driveway go toward that white car. There's a chain link fence out there at the edge, and that would be the property line on the front of the property. And then it goes over towards that taller telephone pole, then comes back toward the right of us here and toward the back of the property, and we can't even see where it goes in the back. There's a huge workshop here. I believe this is about 40 foot wide by about 40 feet deep. Not totally sure, didn't measure it off, but it's huge nonetheless. The center part's big like for an RV, and then both of the side portions are fairly large as well, but they have a shorter door, obviously. Then around here we have the house, and if you look off past the house here, you can see another house in the distance and a chain link fence over there. That would be the side of the property there. We'll walk over here toward the side and I'll show you how far back it goes to the back part of the property. Okay, so if you look right here, you can see the chain link fence off in the distance with the pile of trash on the other side of the chain link. That's the border between this house and the neighbor, and it goes back towards the corner there, and then the chain link goes across. That's the end of the backyard. Now let's go in the house and take a look and see the inside. This house is 2,500 plus square feet, so it's a very large house, and 3 bedrooms, a couple of good-sized living rooms, a couple of fireplaces, and let's get in here and take a look. Okay, as we go in the house, just to the right here is a good-sized living room with a wood-burning stove, and then opens to the kitchen. Nice-sized kitchen. This is connected to a laundry room, tankless water heater, closet here to the left, and then this is a 3/4 bath. And then there's another bedroom here and a closet. And that's, again, the front door over there. So back on the other side of the kitchen, we have a bedroom, good-sized bedroom. And this is a full bath, tub shower combo. And then a nice size closet. And a huge room here. And then another very nice sized living room with a real nice fireplace. Double doors out the back. And off to the side here, we have a primary bedroom. Double sinks, jacuzzi tub, and a nice big shower. And here we have a walk-in closet, which in some houses would be a bedroom. On the outside of the house, we have a covered patio on the side, and then around to the back, there's another little patio area back here. And then we'll go out into the workshop. Okay, so we're at the workshop, and as you can see, the RV section or the center section is got a very tall ceiling. I'm going to guess it's 12, 14 feet. That's just a guess. And then in each side, you have garage space for vehicles like regular car or whatnot. And there's a sink in this one. Okay, and this one has a room in the end and has a sink in this small room here. So both of these garage units with the garage doors still have doors on the outside, but the inside has been drywalled over. This one still has the track for the door to go up. The one next door does not. It is just drywalled over. But again, on the outside, you look on the outside, they both have doors on the outside. So if somebody chose to use them again as garages, I'm sure that's possible to do. Now on the side over here, you can see the yard still is plenty sizable. Again, my name is Dave Rupp, Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. Feel free to reach out with any real estate related questions.